Road safety in 2026 is no longer optional, and today on Tech Fact, we're breaking down the smartest way to protect yourself on every drive. Dashcams have evolved fast, offering sharper video, smarter features, and real peace of mind whether you're commuting daily or heading out on long road trips. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best dashcams of 2026, focusing on real performance, reliability, and features that actually matter in real life. If you care about clear evidence, night driving confidence, and full vehicle coverage, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, take a second to like this video, subscribe to Tech Fact, and drop a comment telling us which dashcam you're currently using or planning to buy. Let's get straight into the cameras that truly stand out this year. Number 5. Redtiger F17 Dashcam. For those who want 3-channel protection without breaking the bank, the Redtiger F17 is an excellent pick in 2026. This dashcam brings a 4K front camera together with interior and rear cameras that record in full HD, giving you broad coverage inside and outside the vehicle. The wide viewing angles on all 3 cameras mean you capture not just what's ahead but what's happening around you and behind you, so you're covered in complex driving scenarios like busy intersections or parking lots. Built-in GPS logs your routes and speed directly to the video, making it easy to verify exactly where and when an event happened. You also get fast 5G Wi-Fi connectivity to your smartphone, which simplifies reviewing clips, sharing highlights, or backing up important recordings. The camera uses infrared night vision for clearer low-light footage and a G-sensor that locks key videos after impacts so they aren't deleted. Loop recording keeps your storage organized, and once hardwired, the dashcam can monitor your parked vehicle around the clock. For anyone who wants a reliable all-around dashcam system with triple coverage and smart connectivity, the F17 delivers strong performance and real peace of mind on every trip. Number 4. Vantru N4 Pro Dashcam. If you want coverage that goes beyond just front and rear, the Vantru N4 Pro delivers. This model packs 3 cameras into one system that simultaneously records the road ahead, the cabin, and behind the vehicle, giving you a near 360 degrees perspective every time you drive. The front camera records in true 4K with a Sony Starvis 2 sensor and HDR imaging that boosts clarity in bright daylight and low light conditions alike, while the cabin and rear cameras capture interior and rear-facing footage so you're not missing any angle. Built-in GPS tags your video with route and speed data, and fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi makes moving clips to your phone quick and painless. One especially neat feature is voice control, so you can take photos, lock recordings, or adjust settings without taking your hands off the wheel. For parking monitoring modes, keep watch when you're away, and customizable motion zones let you focus on specific areas around your vehicle. The loop recording and G-sensor make sure important events get protected automatically. With support for large microSD cards and a host of advanced intelligent features, the N4 Pro is a complete recording system that's perfect for families, rideshare drivers, or anyone who wants total visual coverage. Number 3. Redtiger F7 NP Dual Dashcam. The Redtiger F7 NP is one of the standout dual-camera dashcams you'll see recommended in 2026, especially if you prioritize crystal-clear front footage. Its 4K front lens captures license plates and roadway detail with surprising clarity, and the rear camera records at full HD so you aren't blind to what's happening behind you. This combo works superbly for everyday driving and capturing incidents without vagueness. Built-in GPS tagging means every saved clip also includes the exact speed and location of your vehicle, which adds serious credibility to your footage for insurance or legal purposes. Night driving is handled better than many competitors thanks to a bright aperture and HDR for handling high-contrast lighting, so shadows and highlights both retain useful information. Loop recording keeps your storage under control by overwriting old clips unless a G-sensor locks them during impact events. There's also smartphone connectivity that lets you manage footage without fiddling with cables or mounting hardware. Installation is straightforward, and once it's set up you can pretty much forget about it until you need the footage. For the price point, the F7 NP offers reliability and quality that make it a great all-around dashcam choice in 2026. Number 2. ROVE R2 4K Dual Dashcam. The ROVE R2 4K Dual takes everything great about the single-lens model and adds a rear camera for complete front and back coverage. On the front you still get crisp 4K resolution, upscaled from a strong native sensor, and a wide 150-degree view that picks up license plates and roadside details clearly during the day. It pairs that with a solid 1080p rear camera, making it ideal for rideshare drivers or anyone wanting evidence from both directions. Built-in GPS records your route, speed, and positioning data right into the video, which can be a game-changer in disputes or insurance claims. Dual-band Wi-Fi lets you stream clips to your phone for review, sharing, or archiving without removing the memory card. Loop recording and a G-sensor are on board to automatically protect important events when a collision is detected. Installation is more involved than a single lens setup, but the peace of mind from full coverage recording is worth it. The parking mode gives around-the-clock surveillance once hardwired. For the price, this dual-camera setup hits a sweet spot between performance and cost for most drivers who want trustworthy footage front and rear. Number 1. ROVE R2-4K Pro Dashcam. If you're looking for a dashcam that feels like it punches above its price, the ROVE R2 4K Pro is one of the best choices in 2026. This camera records in 4K UHD, so you're getting very sharp detail on the road ahead with a wide 150-degree field of view that captures more of the scene in front of your car. It includes built-in GPS, so every clip contains accurate route, speed, and location info, which is incredibly useful for evidence or sharing road trip memories. The supercapacitor design is a smart touch because it handles extreme temperatures far better than a traditional battery, meaning long-term reliability. You also get custom parking mode options with motion, collision, and time-lapse recording if you hardwire it, giving peace of mind when the car is parked. Night performance is strong thanks to a quality lens and low-light optimization, so you don't lose clarity once the sun goes down. Smartphone connectivity via 5 GHz Wi-Fi makes it easy to transfer videos and tweak settings without wrestling with menus. Overall, it's a dependable dash cam that blends performance and practicality for everyday drivers. So that wraps up our list of the top 5 best dash cams in 2026, each offering something unique depending on how and where you drive. Whether you want simple front recording or full interior and rear coverage, there's a solid option here for every type of driver. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Tech Fact, and comment below with your favorite pick from the list. Your support helps us bring more honest, easy-to-understand tech content straight to you. Drive safe, stay protected, and we'll see you in the next one.